There's monkeys on the roof. Hey, buddy. This one actually looked at me for a second or two. This game reserve is amazing. It's edging on Kruger National Park, and I can't focus at all. So this has been a great trip. In a couple hours, we're gonna leave the lodge. Sad times, it's been amazing. We've had amazing guides, amazing food. I have zero complaints. I kind of wish we could stay for a week, but I do have stuff to do. I need to edit, I need to shoot some more videos. This has been just kind of eye-opening to be able to get so close to the animals. We went to a game reserve before, the Mongana Game Reserve here in South Africa, but we were like 10 feet from this giant lion. It's something that I don't know if I'll get to see again, but I definitely enjoyed it while I did. That's it. We're out. Let's go. Once again, we're at some other airfield